How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a super nice 1966 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. This is a true 138 SS car, painted tuxedo black with red interior. See, it's got all new bumpers, all the chrome trim in the front and grille. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got that cool SS hood. I tell you, these true 138 cars are getting really hard to come by. And this is a nice one. See how slick the black paint is on this car? Just a real nice car. See, the rear bumper's been replaced. All your emblems and trim, tail light, lenses, everything been replaced. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got your 17-inch Riddler wheels on it. Got your power disc brakes on it, power steering. Been updated with aluminum radiator. I tell you, I really like the red interior with the black. Just tough looking car, guys. Got the factory gauge package. It's got the knee knocker tack. Correct 4-speed shifter handle in it. It's actually a Muncie or a Hurst shifter with a correct appearing shifter handle on it. For those of you guys know, these Muncies that were in these cars weren't a very good shifter, but now they got the retrofit handle so you can put a good shifter in the car. Jams all look nice. The headliner's all real nice in the car. Super nice car, guys. Trunk all looks good. Got your spare tire. Now they have replaced the trunk floor, but they did do a nice job doing it. It's got the rear mount antenna. See the gauge package there in the dasher, knee knocker tack. Dash all got new trim on it, looks real nice. Center console's real nice. Got your front and your rear seat belts. I tell you guys, I really like this car with the red interior. Just tough looking car. Now the original 396 was replaced with a 454. It's got a mild cam in it. It does have the correct original 4-barrel intake on it. Your chrome valve covers and your breather. Got a set of headers, 2.5-inch duals out the back, Flowmasters. The thing fires right up. Looks like we have one headlight there that was out. We'll take a look at that other parking light there, see what was wrong with it, get her fixed. Tell you, it sounds real good out the exhaust. Nice car, guys. Really nice car. Ready to cruise, go out and have a lot of fun with it. You can check out our complete image.